Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you a pretty cool trick, transformation card with cards, or whatever you want to call it. Here I have 7 of diamonds. I'm just going to place my hand over it. It will turn to the 4 of spades. Pretty cool, huh? So here is how you do the trick. You probably guessed that you need 2 cards. So you're going to be doing a double lift like that. And I kind of went like fast, and well, you hold it in your, if you're right-handed, you use your, you use your right hand if you're right-handed. You want to place your other hand, in this case the left hand, over it, and then you kind of just want to palm the top card like that and just slide it down, and like you can put it in your pocket like that, or yeah, whatever you want, and then you have this card left, and that's how you do the trick.